How to convert personal account to creator account on Instagram. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our Instagram application in our mobile device. Once done, click on the profile icon in the lower right hand corner. Now, once you've clicked on the profile icon, you will be routed to your profile page. Now, click on the hamburger button in the upper right hand corner. Now, go to your settings and privacy this time and simply look for account type and tools. Now, here, you just need to click on switch to professional account, hit on continue, and after which, choose which describes you. For instance, creator, and we're gonna have digital creator. Now click on OK. After that, you will be routed to another page. So are you a creator or a business? Click on creator this time. Hit on next afterwards. Now here, click on next, hit on continue, and there you just need to set up your professional account. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you find this video helpful and thank you so much for watching.